ground, good morning, Qantas 93 at Delta 9 with X-ray request pushing start.
Qantas 93, Melbourne ground, Delta 9, pushback approved. Disconnect at Tango 5, tail east.
Tango 5, tail east to Qantas 93.
First rector.
Brakes off, tail east, Tango 5.
Wildcat Tango 3074, parking bay, Dennis, runway freeway. Chopper 3074, Melbourne ground, hold on the bay, number 2 for pushback. Hold on bay, number 2, Delta. Velocity 164, I'm in the destruction hold, short of uniform. Short of uniform, velocity 164. Velocity 306, taxi via uniform Alpha Golf to Echo 4. Ground gate, velocity 319, FA Echo 1, request pushback. Velocity 319, ground g'day, there's a company 737 inbound to International Bay Delta 2, they're about 2 minutes away. Once they're on the bay, Echo 1, pushback approved. Okay, once the company is on Delta 2, pushback approved, velocity 319. Velocity 164, give way to company 737, they'll be outbound on uniform from your left, and then taxi by uniform to Delta 2. 733 uniform and then by uniform Delta 2, velocity 1. Ground hold, 1457 by Echo 5, pushback. Velocity 1457, ground hold, position number 3 for the acronym. Back out, position velocity 430, Yankee, request action. Qantas 93, taxi by Tango Alpha to holding point Kilo, runway 34.
Tango Alpha, holding point Kilo, runway 34, Qantas 90.
China Southern 3074, there's a Qantas A380 on your right about to taxi away. Once they've taxied clear, pushback approved, disconnect point Tango 2.
When the aircraft on the right, taxi, we are pushback approach number 2 China Southern 3074.
Good morning, Velocity 1362, Foxtrot 11, request pushback.
Velocity 1362, ground, good morning, Foxtrot 11, pushback approved.
Velocity 1362.
Velocity 1457, there's a company 737 pushing back from Echo 1 now. Once they taxi clear of the apron, Echo 5 pushback approved.
Okay, once the company of Echo 1 taxi clear of the apron, Echo 5 push approved, lost 1457.
Charlie 9, request pushback.
Qantas 418 ground, Charlie 9 pushback approved.
Pushback approved. Qantas 418.